Industrial technology is important in many industries, as well as in the service sector. It has much greater power and resource than home models. Therefore, it is in demand where large volumes of work are required, which ultimately can bring good profits to companies. Using the most modern equipment, you can achieve very high indicators profit, quality, quantity, etc., and become a market leader, thanks to the development of scientific and technological progress. Today, in many industries, heavy, physical labor has been replaced by special professional equipment. Such equipment has found its application both in everyday life and in production. For example, in the following industries: construction, agriculture, mining, forestry, etc. Special equipment can be divided into several categories: logging equipment, equipment for road construction, construction equipment, excavating, loader, tower cranes, etc. The main requirement for industrial technology is to reduce the time required for construction work. Time savings can be achieved either by a large number of machines on site or by using machines with higher productivity, and any customer has the right to choose either less productive and low-cost equipment or industrial equipment of higher quality and reliability. Industrial equipment is a wide range of different principles, machines and devices that are used in quality production processes. These devices face important tasks aimed at performing technological operations.